Hi guys, how are you?
Good man, yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine.
So, what do you want to order? I'm going to have a tequila shot.
I will have a whiskey.
I'll have a Bacardi lemon.
Cool. Thanks.
Thanks. Let's have a
Cheers.
cheers.
Cheers. So, how was the football match yesterday?
Yeah, it's great.
I actually missed it. What happened?
Messi scored two crossbars against Juventus. It was damn lit.
Shit. I have to watch the highlights. I'll do that later.
Yeah.
Okay, so anyways, who's gonna pay? I don't have any money on me right now.
Man, I wish Ian was here because he pays for everything.
Yeah, that's very true. By the way, why didn't he come?
You guys know, right? He's a bookworm, so he probably may be studying.
Oh man.
yeah. He's always like that.
He's missing all the fun in his life.
He's
Yeah.
wasted. Cheers.
The next day, after the party, Ritvik, Parth, and Sriram meet Ayan in the boys' locker room.
Hey, Ayan, where are the last night? What are you doing? Why you didn't come to the party?
Bro, I was just studying.
Bro.
Why? Yeah, for the upcoming exams. By the way, how was your party?
Bro, the party was damn lit. People had come from other colleges too.
Okay, don't talk too much, okay? You guys were wasted for half the party, and I'm pretty sure you guys don't remember anything from last night.
Yeah, man. Actually, I only remember till the first two shots. I really wish I could remember more. All I know is that I felt really good, but right now I'm not able to study because of the hangover.
Why do you want to study now anyway? The exams are just completed last week. Even I heard Ravina stopped and you were second. Why you can't join us on the next Saturday in the Sriram's house?
I don't think I can really join. Like, I don't want to try alcohol. What if I get addicted to it?
Don't believe in those things, Ayan. Those are just myths. Look at us. We have been drinking alcohol for such a long time and we have not been addicted. Moreover, our marks are also good. Not as good as yours, but enough.
Yeah, exactly. And also, just try once. And if you don't like it, you can leave it after that. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it.
Alright, it sounds like it's fun. Yeah, after all, what is life without fun? So,
Yeah.
okay,
Exactly.
then let's see you next Saturday.
That's the
Yeah.
spirit.
Okay, that's the spirit. Okay. Bye.
Finally work.
After the party at Sriram's house.
Sriram, bro, thank you so much. That was so fun. I don't remember much about the party, but the feeling was just awesome. I've never experienced something like this before.
Yeah. See, I told you that you'll love it. You just have to try it once, and then almost every single person is going to love it. But yeah, after you drink, the feeling when you get drunk is like the best feeling that you'll ever feel in your entire life. So glad you enjoyed it.
Bro, you had no idea what you were doing yesterday. You downed an entire bottle of alcohol and started singing songs in Bengali.
Yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, I wanted to tell you that my parents are out next week. So, like, wanna join out for a party next week at my place?
Yeah,
Yeah,
sure.
yes, I'm down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ayan gets addicted to alcohol and so starts to party every week with his friends. In the next exams, he does not perform well. In fact, he fails in two subjects. His parents are worried about his grades, so they call him to check what's wrong.
Hey Ayan, how are you?
Yeah, mom, I'm fine.
Is everything okay, Ayan? Your grades have going down so drastically in just 1 month.
To be honest, mom, I'm not so sure. Like, I was expecting better grades than this.
You're focusing on your studies, right? Or is something distracting you? See, you can be very open with your mom, and if you have any problem or any query, then just discuss with me.
Sure, mom, but I'm not having any problems right now. Um, Maybe I'll just start studying with Rishma and Ravina so that I can get better grades.
Okay, and now I hope you should start focusing on your studies so that you will get a good placement. And try not to have so many backlogs because it will definitely affect your resume. Okay?
Yeah, sure, mom.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Ayan starts studying with Reshma and Ravina, but does not improve his grades at all. They suspect that something is wrong, so they try to get to the bottom of this. Hello, what happened, Ayan? You're not showing much of an improvement at all. In the first semester, you were the only one who challenged me for first rank. But now, see yourself, you're miserable. Is something wrong?
I don't know exactly what happened, but I'm not able to concentrate at all.
I've seen that recently you have been hanging out with Ritvik, Shrigam, and Parth. You aren't into alcohol and drugs, right?
Yeah, I do drink a lot, like almost every day, but the feeling when you get drunk is like amazing. You have to try it once.
Aha, now I see the reason you're failing in so many subjects. You think alcohol is not the reason? Obviously, it is the reason. Have you ever wondered why you started flunking as soon as you got addicted to alcohol?
Addicted? No, I'm not addicted.
What do you mean you're not addicted? You told me yourself you drink every alternate day. How is it that not being addicted? Moreover, don't go around telling other people to start drinking as well. You have already wasted your own life, so don't waste others' life as well.
What do you mean I wasted my life? Marks is not the only thing, right? There are like many things we live for, and a bit of fun is always necessary, right?
Okay, then, tell me one thing that you have done after you started drinking that you're very proud of.
Um,
Go on, tell me.
um,
See, before the second semester, you were topping each and every class, wherever it may have been, school and college. But now you're just wasting your time and your parents' money. Just try your best not to drink for the rest of this semester. And if you don't pass in all your subjects this semester, I will not even try to stop you. You can drink all you want. Is it fine?
but it's not that easy to stop drinking. I will miss alcohol, and I won't be able to concentrate in studies if I don't drink.
And as for that, I think you should go to the counselor and take her help to get rid of all this addiction thing. I think you really need help. One semester passes by, and Ayan, although not with great marks, passes every single subject except one.
Thank you so much, Ravina and Reshma. Because of you two, I was able to stop drinking alcohol. Even I passed in all the exams except one. Oh God, my parents will be so happy.
It's okay, Ayan. At the end of the day, you learned your lesson. That's just enough. And you please try not to continue that drinking thing again. And I definitely know that you'll soon start challenging me again in the exams.
Yeah, and I really hope that you have not only learned your lesson from this, but you should also try to help others to get out of alcoholism.
Yeah, definitely. But first, I need to cut all my connections with my old friends who are literally the reason for my downfall.
No, you're not supposed to do that. At the end of the day, you just think it was your decision to start that drinking, and you cannot blame it on your friends, right?
Yes, Sayan, she is absolutely right. You have to make them understand the ill effects of alcohol. And you also have to try to make them stop drinking. After all, they're also your friends, right? So it's your duty to do that.
Yeah, true. I'll try my best.
From the short example, you can see how the decisions of a person are greatly affected by their peer group. The thoughts of Parth, Sriram, and Kutvik led to the bad decisions taken by Ayan. However, peer pressure does not always lead to negative effects. As you saw, Ayan became aware of his mistakes when he started to study with Ravina and Reshma.